Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Professor Dansereau, and this is my channel. Today, we're going to look at recommended charts in Excel. As you can see, I have a table here of sales data in the different regions. So the first thing we want to do when we're charting is select everything in the chart, in the table. You notice I did the row headings up top and the column headings down the side, but I did not select the totals because that will distort the chart. So I hit the Insert tab and I just click on Recommended Charts. If I go to different chart styles, I can display it in different ways, but typically the first one's always the best. All right, so there's my chart title. You notice it put all the different regions across the bottom, and it gave me a color code of what's going on in each one. I could change the title here. I'm just going to call mine Sales because that's what it is. If you click inside, you can have some more options up top. You hover over them and see how it changes the different ones. Personally, I think simple is the best. If you're doing it in a light room, sometimes a dark background. If you're printing out, always do a light background, or if the lights are out and you're presenting in the dark. All right, so that's all there is. See you again soon.